Medieval economy was predominantly rural, agrarian, and localized. There was very little trade from distant areas, with food being based on grain and local animals. Travel was significantly localized, and the middle class was emerging. Countries were controlled by the wealthy and powerful elite. The advent of the Industrial Revolution saw a shift of emphasis from home-based industry to mechanized production, and the consequent result on the social, economic, and political developments in countries. Governments had to mop up resources for the expenditure on social development, infrastructure, and defense, resulting in the creation of tax structure to meet the requirements. Tax policies of the governments are linked to the state of the development of the relevant economy, be it developing or developed, and the emphasis thus laid on whether it has to be direct or indirect taxation, which will lead to the successful achievement of government plans. Socialism and capitalism, being ideologically apart from each other, have been tried and tested through the taxation methods. And though both have their benefits, there appears to be a lacuna as far as successful implementation is concerned. A tax is a financial charge or a levy imposed by the state or its functional equivalent upon a taxpayer, and the failure to pay such a levy is punishable by law. Taxes are imposed by a number of administrative divisions. Taxes are direct or indirect in nature and are required to be in money or its labor equivalent. Finances obtained through the imposition of taxation have been used by countries and their functional equivalents conventionally to carry out a number of functions. Some of these include protection of property, expenditures on war, economic infrastructure, the enforcement of law, and public order, public works, subsidies, social engineering, and the very operation of the government itself. Governments utilize taxes for the funding of welfare and public services. These services include education systems, pensions for the elderly, healthcare systems, unemployment, rehabilitation and benefits, and public transportation. Energy, water, and waste management systems are some of the common public utilities. A portion of taxes is used to alleviate the state's debts and the interest this debt accrues. Taxes are one of the biggest sources of income for the government. From your salary, meals at a restaurant, watching a movie at the multiplex, driving your car on roads. To simplify, purchasing a packet of biscuit from a general store, you pay many different types of taxes in many different ways. As a responsible citizen of country, it is your duty to pay the taxes. But it is also equally important to know the different types of taxes implemented in the country. All the various taxations in India can be broadly classified into two categories: direct and indirect tax.